welcome back to another cooking episode on this channel. My name is Fumilayo. Today I will be demonstrating how to prepare the traditional ratatouille. But before we get started, I would love to invite you to click on the red subscribe button. By doing so, you're supporting this channel. Thank you. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients that I'll be using to prepare the ratatouille. A medium-sized eggplant, 2 different types of zucchini, red and orange bell peppers, 3 tomatoes, 1 chopped onion, 2 garlic cloves, oregano and thyme, and also cherry tomatoes. The first thing I'll be doing is to chop up the eggplant into about 1 inch, then salt it and leave to rest for about 30 minutes. The salt will draw out the extra moisture from the eggplant. While the eggplant is resting, the next thing is to chop up other vegetables. The bell peppers, the zucchini, and also the tomatoes. After 30 minutes, pour the eggplant onto a paper towel like so, then clean the rest of the moisture out of the eggplant. Then transfer to a bowl like so. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a medium-sized pot over a medium heat and fry the eggplant and zucchini in batches. Using the same pot, add the onion and let it cook for about a minute. Then add the chopped garlic. Let it cook for about 30 seconds. At this point, then add the bell peppers and tomatoes and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they're all cooked together. 15 minutes later, the vegetables are all softened, the peppers, the tomatoes, and add salt and the herbs, thyme and sage. Stir all together. While that is cooking, preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit because this will go in later. At this point, stir in the eggplant and zucchini into the pot. Cover and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. At this point, check the ratatouille for thickness. If it is too thick, add about a quarter to half a cup of stock. I'm adding here duck stock, but you can add vegetable stock or whatever you prefer, and cover to cook for additional 5 to 10 minutes. 15 minutes after, check for seasoning, and if required, add salt and pepper. Add the cherry tomatoes at the top. I'm adding about 10 cherry tomatoes here. Then cover and let simmer for 5 minutes before transferring it to the oven. After 5 minutes, check the ratatouille. Then switch off the gas and transfer the ratatouille into a preheated oven for 20 minutes to thicken up. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this video demonstration. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Also like, comment and share. See you next week. Bye.